Hey there, this is Jessica from A Cherry on Top, and today I will be unboxing the November Cherry Box. The Cherry Box is a monthly paper crafting subscription and that is delivered at the beginning of each month. So let's get started unboxing. When you first open the box, you'll see this November 2020 Cherry Box card. And it shows everything that's in the Cherry Box. On the inside, it has a list of techniques and tips for one of the items that are in the box. We'll come back to that. And on the back, it has a list of all of the Cherry Box items along with our hashtag, which is hashtag TheCherryBox. So when I first look in the box, I see these washi tapes. Every box will get 4 of these washi tapes from Crate Paper, and they have all different cute designs that kind of match along with the rest of the box. Next I see these magnolia clothespins, and these are really cute to put on top of a layout or a card or a journal, really anything just to add a little bit extra dimension onto your pages. There's also this Here and There rotary stamp, which is actually a really cool stamp. I was having a lot of fun with this. As you turn the dial, it pulls up a new saying. So there's a whole list of sayings. Some of them are departure and arrival, the adventure begins, travel notes, eat well, travel often. So a whole list of little phrases that look great on any travel-themed layouts. Next, we have some tassels from the Here and There collection. There are 4 tassels in this package, and they're in 2 colors, which are teal and peach. These are just really cute, add a little pop of something different, little texture. So cute. Right, next we have this marigold ephemera. This is a really cute ephemera pack, and there are 30 cardstock pieces and 10 vellum pieces. There's a lot of butterflies and flowers and really cute journaling cards, and it looks super sweet. Next, we have premium dye inks from Pinkbrush Studio. Each box will receive a set of 4, which makes a really great gradient. They're often from darkest to lightest, just colors that go really well together and make your projects much easier to plan and coordinate around a color. The boxes might not have this exact color, but different shades of greens and blues are what we put in most of the boxes. These react with water, and in the inside of this Cherry Box card, we gave some background techniques using these mini ink pads. So it just really gets you started on how to use these cute little ink pads. You will also receive a fall sticker. This sticker is from P13, but it could be any one of our fall themed stickers. And finally, we have a marigold 6x8-inch paper pad. So that is it for the November Cherry Box. There are still a few of this box left available for purchase without a subscription. You can also subscribe to the Cherry Box at acherryontop.com/thecherrybox. I'll also put the link in the description. And the next box we will be unboxing is the December box. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching this video. We can just take it in multiple takes. And every box gets 4 different washi tape. The box first starts with this card. I don't like it. And teal. I don't know about that one. These dyes are, these inks in the November Cherry Berry box.